For today's problem, we are going to integrate 5 sine squared 7x. And the reason we can't integrate it right now is because we don't have any type of integration formula for a sine squared. So what we have to do is get rid of the sine squared and reduce it by using the reduction formula right over here. Keeping in mind that the reduction formula assumes there's a 1 here for 1x, and in term ours uses a 7, so that means when we multiply the reduction formula by our current function, we have to do it 7 times 2 instead of just 2x. So for the first step, I usually bring out the constant multiple. So I'm going to bring that right there, 5 sine squared 7x dx. So now what I do is I take the formula that I highlighted over here and I just plug in the values for sine squared 7x. So that's going to be 5 integral of 1 minus cosine, and it's 7 times 2x, and that's going to equal 14x. It's a really important step, all over 2. And to make this more manageable, I do one additional step before I integrate. I will bring out and factor out a 1/2, which gets rid of that 2 and makes this much more manageable. Dx. Okay, so now I have another constant multiple. I can bring this over here, make this 5 over 2, integral of 1 minus cosine 14x dx. Now that we've used the reduction formula so that we can then find the integral of 1 and cosine 14x, those things we have formulas for. So in case you don't know, if you have a function multiplied by a constant x, constant times x, so for example, we have a function and that function is multiple, inside the function is kx. The resulting integral of that function will be 1 over k times the function's integral, so big F, kx. So to put this in practice for cosine, we're going to be using 1 over k, and for cosine's example, k is 14. So it's 1 over 14, and then the integral of cosine is sine, and then you're going to plug in 14x back in, and then multiply by dx. And before I finish, there is a 1 here, which the integral of 1 is x, so it's x minus 1 over 14 sine 14x dx. And don't forget to multiply that entire thing by 5 over 2. So I'm going to rewrite it here so that's easy to read, and that'll be our answer. So 5 over 2 x minus 1 over 14 sine 14x plus c. That's our final answer. Some teachers may require you to distribute the 5 over 2. I'm not going to because it's simple algebra, but I hope you guys appreciated this video, and if you guys have any feedback on how to make the videos better, I plan on doing single question videos and kind of going in depth about those singular questions, and just hopefully you guys enjoy it. See you on the next video.